always ashamed to have him in the back of videos because I'm 21. So I'm gonna keep him here. He doesn't need to do all that. What's up guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel. I have not beat this face in a while, a long while. I'm really just in the mood to get glam and put a full beat on my face right now. So I'm gonna be doing a transformation video because I have never done one of these and I've seen them all over YouTube. I can't even tell you who I saw it from because every single YouTuber has done it. Every one of them. You guys haven't seen me beat my face in a while, like put lashes on, bold eye makeup. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm about to do that. And a full beat always used to make me feel so confident and empowered. For today's video, I partnered with VDL for the Real Fit Velvet lipstick line. At the end of this video, I'm gonna pick the perfect lipstick for the whole look that I'm about to come up with, and I'm gonna want you guys to comment down below which one is your favorite. And to check out the lipstick line, I'll have a link down below and a coupon code for 20% off, but I'll talk more about that at the end of the transformation. Let's beat this face. Let's play some music to get us in the mood. I'm gonna put on some hoops just to make me feel more baddie right now. Should I wait till the end? I like to wear earrings while I'm doing my makeup because it just makes me feel really good about myself. These I can rock with. Oh, sweetie. Yes, gaga. I'm gonna be taking MAC Fix Plus, spritzing that all over my face as a base. I think I want to fix my hair because this is annoying me. Is that gonna annoy you guys? Because it's gonna annoy me. We are back. So the turban's gonna come off at the end of the video. Don't worry. I'm gonna be taking out my hair because that's gonna complete the transformation, of course. Of course, we have to put on foundation. I'm gonna be taking the Pacifica, a light clean foundation. This is oil-free, and I'm in the shade Warm Tan. This comes out like really heavily, so I take like half of one pump. When I used to do my makeup a couple of years ago, 18, 19, 20 even, I used to think that putting on more makeup was the key to makeup. Like the more makeup that I put on, the better I was doing it, and that's not the case because I feel like sometimes my skin wouldn't be able to breathe, and then I would feel really bad about it because my skin would look old in makeup, and then I would look older, and I'm like, how come I look older instead of me looking like an enhanced version of myself? And to me, that didn't mean like looking like I look visibly old in my skin because of how much foundation or how I wasn't doing makeup properly, like foundation or whatever. So I'm glad now that I know. I always say this, but it also has to do with skincare. Now I just know what my skin wants, and because of that, my makeup goes on better. I don't know why I always go on these little tangents. I'm just gonna pounce this in. Oh my god, my skin looks so good! More in the areas that need a little bit more coverage. Doing your makeup is so therapeutic, and that's something that I forgot when life kind of took over. I forgot that this is something that I could put my time into. Now we're gonna conceal. That's my favoriteest part. We're gonna be taking the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Quite a lot, not quite a lot, but we're gonna really try to conceal this area today, like more than we usually do. I'm gonna do red. Oh, okay, you're gonna see. And I love that when you let it sit, it just looks so full coverage. I'm gonna take a little bit of this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in the shade Walnut, just to brighten underneath here. Where's my under eye powder? Guys, this is bad. I'm gonna use this mini beauty blender to blend this in. Actually, I cannot find my favorite under eye setting powder, so I'm gonna have to try a new one. Really hope when I take a picture. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. It just needs to set properly. That's not what we want. That's not what we planned. And I just gotta say, I do not understand. Something's not right, really wrong. And we gotta get things back where they belong. We can do it, gotta play. Stick with what you Okay, it helped to brighten underneath the eyes, definitely. I'm not mad. We just need to do more to the face. I think it's fine. I think we should just move on with it. I'm using Auntie Fenty, Auntie Rihanna bronzers today. These are the new ones, and I was sent them deep. I was sent the new Fenty Beauty bronzers, which, guys, I thank you so much, Fenty Beauty, for even acknowledging my existence. We're gonna use the brush, the infamous brush. That's what I'm about to do. Okay, we have Caramel Cutie and Cocoa Naughty right here. I love the shade names. I think we're gonna mix the two and bronze up our face. Echo, play Hello by Kess. You had to wear makeup to feel accepted. Not that you had to, but that's what I thought, being in the beauty guru community. Started not only subscribing to like makeup channels, and I started subscribing to like other channels, and I realized that like you don't need makeup to feel beautiful, and that's what I was trying to learn. And my break from makeup taught me that. It taught me to really love myself without it. Like I didn't need to always cover up my under eyes. It's okay to walk around with like under eyes that are bad, and I knew that before, but after my break I really learned that. So if you ever think you need makeup to be beautiful, you freaking don't. Like seriously man, seriously. Okay, the caterpillars are done. So I figure from here we will start the eyeshadow. This creation right here, I'm in the mood to put red all over my eye. Might not be a good idea because I heard red stains, but ooh, I just pressed my brush. I pressed my brush into this once and like all of this came out. You guys don't need to be that close for this. You don't need to be that close. Diamonds on my neck, I got some water on my sweater. Ice up on my wrist, you know I'm making bitches wet. I'm gonna take, and we got a cute little red eye. I honestly love to do eyeshadow like this, like just putting the one color all over my eye. Like, I don't know. It's so hard to do eyeshadow on this eye because I have to close this eye, and this is my worst eye. Like I can't really see out of this eye. I can see, but like to some extent, so I gotta get close here. Sorry guys. We did the red. See what I'm gonna do next. Now we're gonna put a pop of color on the lower lash line, like right here. Should we do pink? I always have these thoughts and they like make me smile. Like I don't know why. So pink will be gorgeous. Guys, I always do pink though. Do you mind? We're gonna do the pink. F it. Look at that. Oh. Okay, I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it? So I like my eyeshadow pretty much. I pretty much like my eyeshadow. Yes, I do. Now we're gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna take the PR Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna use these two colors here. I freaking love blush. This is not my regular blush brush. Why did I grab this one? That's my highlight brush. It is finally time for lashes. Actually, wait. Okay, the box is messed up. I'm gonna use these Eyelure ones, and these are the Jasmine? These are the Jasmine Brown ones. I haven't put on lashes in a minute, guys. Like it's been a while. Like, I don't think you know how long it's been since I've worn lashes. We remember though. We remember how to do it.
20 minutes later.
I forgot that you're supposed to put on mascara before, but it's okay because I used to do this and it's... I'm gonna take a little black eyeliner. This is the Sex Kitten Liner by Tarte. Really deepens up the look. I love it. We're gonna set our face with a Morphe setting spray. We are not done yet, Leah. I look like a filter right now. I swear to God, I look like a filter. I'm gonna use the James palette. I'm gonna use this one right here. Okay guys, this is the completed look. Wow, I am obsessed with this. I actually can't believe I did this. But we're gonna move on to lipstick now. This red is so gorgeous. This is just option number 1. This look is giving me like it's a casual day. I might be going to the grocery store. Just a little pink pouty lip. No, but I actually really like this. I'm gonna take some pictures. Mix together red bean and hot beige or cute beige. Put a little bit of red bean on there. This is a pinkier tone. Now time for the big boy. Okay, I think this is my favorite. I feel like these lips go really well with the makeup look. Like, all together, it's just a red cherry look. I like the vibes. I'm digging it. Are you guys digging it? I'm digging it with these rose gold earrings as well. It's a look. Let's take out the hair now. This is gonna be the final look of the transformation. If you guys would like to check out the Real Velvet Lipstick line by VDL, I will have a link in the description. And I want you guys to comment down below what crazy color you would... Itchy? What crazy color would you put on your eyes right now at this moment? Like, what color are you feeling? Comment it down below. Obviously red. And also, I'm very in need of video ideas. Please, if you want to see more from me, just comment down below. Alright, we finna take some Instagram pictures. I need to stop saying that at the end of videos. But that's basically it. I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Love you, bye! She saying why you say that you so cold. She asked me why